Hi everyone, I'm Ishan. I hope you all are doing well. So I will be having a call with CA Komal Singla today. Currently, she is working in L&D in one of the big fours, and she recently came back to India from Netherlands. Rest of the story we'll get to know from Komal itself. Thank you. Hi Komal, how are you?
Hi, Ishan. I'm good. How are you?
I'm also doing good. Thank you. Thank you so much for accepting my request for this quick podcast. So thank you so much.
After so
And
long, we are actually doing it online.
yes, we could do that in person since I wanted to do this earlier. So thanks for accepting this as well.
Hopefully, it'll go
Yeah,
as planned.
it will go as per plan for sure. Just one request, Komal. If
Mhm.
we can just please talk in English and Hindi mix just for the larger audience, if we can do that. I
हिंदी
was
हमारी
receiving.
मातृभाषा है. हम जरूर करेंगे.
चलो ठीक है फिर हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो थैंक यू सो मच. कैसा लग रहा है कोमल नीदरलैंड से इंडिया आके लाइक आफ्टर यू हैव स्पेंड अ क्वाइट डिसेंट टाइम इन नीदरलैंड्स एंड नाउ यू आर बैक टू योर होम कंट्री एंड यू रिसेंटली शिफ्टेड सो कैसा.
घर आया परदेसी, kind of a. So it's good to be home back.
Mhm,
काफी अच्छी feeling. I would say it's a mixed feeling. So you have now tasted both the lands, your homeland and your the foreign country land. I would say.
mhm,
So I would say the environment difference. बहुत साफ सुथरा, बहुत ही क्लीन एनवायरनमेंट है यहाँ पे. एंड यहाँ आके एक बहुत ही मेजर चेंज मुझे दिखा. दैट इज एनवायरनमेंट. लाइक
mhm,
जो भी हम सांस ले रहे हैं और जो क्वालिटी ऑफ लिविंग इज क्वाइट बेटर देन इंडिया, बिकॉज मे बी दे हैव अ लेस पॉपुलेशन, बट from my point of view, they planned it well.
mhm,
They have system in place for every stuff. इवन मैंने वहाँ की म्यूनसिपैलिटीज भी देखी है, वो इतनी सुंदर, इतनी अच्छी. एंड इफ यू आर ऑन टाइम, then only you'll be able to make that appointment. Supposingly, आपको एक एग्जांपल देखती हूँ. Me and my husband was there to have certain, I would say, documentation work to be settled in that country. So I have booked one appointment, and then we went there on that time. And when I visited that counter, that reception one, उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि you have only one token. They say token.
mhm, mhm.
Then when your husband will be going, I would say I was not aware about this. Like कि मुझे दो टोकन लेने, I'm considering it as one only. So on my request, उन्होंने बहुत सारे numbers try करे and they made an arrangement जहाँ पे हम दोनों की appointments हो पाई at a single point of time.
Oh,
And then we did it. So सरकारी काम इतने अच्छे तरीके से मुझे नहीं लगता कभी इंडिया में हो पाएगा.
oh,
It's a
India
good of it.
complaining about your country.
Not complaining. I'm just saying they are better than us on this parameter.
Uh, I understand. I was just
It's
joking. Yeah. अच्छा है बढ़िया है. और घर वालों से मिलके तो अच्छा लगा होगा after.
yes.
Yeah, nice.
Let's criticize them as well. Then they don't have a medical infrastructure. I would say for those who are not resident over there,
Mhm,
तो
mhm.
बहुत डिफिकल्ट है वहां पे आपको अपॉइंटमेंट्स लेना until unless आप मर नहीं रहे हो.
Oh,
So they'll just took their your call. You need to register in the municipality और आसपास का जो भी allocated booth and all है, आपको वहां पे register करना पड़ेगा. Then only you'll be able to visit them.
nice.
But for that, whenever I'm making call, they say PCM ले लो, rest करो, आप ठीक हो जाएंगे. Whatever the condition it is.
So you can't visit to the doctor in general the way we go to India.
No, no, no. Even those medicines are not available.
Mm,
We have taken those medicines from
mm,
India so that if we are falling ill, so we can take it. But I am surprised to
mm.
see we never got fever, cold, or cough over there, considering that a cold environment. That should be. Like I've taken back my medicines as it is. I haven't even taken a single medicine. एक भी नहीं ली मैंने वो.
हाँ, तो आप कह रहे हैं कि एनवायरनमेंट ही इतना क्लीन है लाइक इतना बीमार नहीं होता है आदमी.
यस. तो जो आपका EQI है वो 2, 3, 5 को बोल देते हैं वर्स्ट है. मतलब when you see that weather forecast and अगर 5 है तो ये कहेंगे it's worse than yesterday.
Okay, but 300 is quite
इंडिया में
normal for us.
कहाँ? Yes.
So welcome back to India, and this podcast will gonna be a little bit different. I will not gonna share any detail about you. I would love to listen from you. तो मैं आपसे ही सुनना चाहूँगा. So CA कैसे शुरू करी कॉमन? How did you choose CA as your career?
Nice one. It's obvious,
Uh-huh.
I would say. It was not
Mhm.
chosen. It's just like I've given my 12th exam, and my sister told me CA करनी है. It's like ये क्या होती है?
हाँ.
सो हमारे घर के सामने अंकल रहते हैं, ही इज अकाउंटेंट. तो उनकी बेटी ने करनी थी, तो दे हैव अ प्लान फॉर इट.
Mhm.
तो ऐसे करके इट्स जस्ट लाइक बिकॉज वो भी कर रहे हैं तो आप भी कर लो. आई डोंट नो, मुझे नहीं पता करियर कहाँ जाना है, कैसे करना है. सो आई जस्ट एनरोल्ड इट. विश्वासनगर गए हैं, मैं और मेरी फ्रेंड सामने, जो मेरे घर के बिल्कुल सामने रहती है. तो हम दोनों विश्वासनगर गए हैं, हमने रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म फिलअप किया है, एंड देन केम बैक. एंड देन एट दैट टाइम मुझे नहीं लगता एआई एंड टेक्नोलॉजी वाज दैट वास्ट. इतना कुछ नहीं था. एंड मेरी मेटर्नल और पैटर्नल फैमिली में कोई भी सीए नहीं है. सो इट वाज बिट डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू नो अबाउट इट, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, कहाँ से करना है, दैट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट वन. बट कैसे स्टार्ट करूं, वो भी बहुत डिफिकल्ट वन, डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन था.
Mhm.
And then because that girl was doing it, so I just started. And home next to that person, another girl was also doing the CA. So एक वो लहर चल रही थी उस टाइम कि in your street 2-3 girls are doing CA.
That's
कुछ
good.
अच्छा ही होगा तभी लोग कर रहे हैं, तो शुरू कर दी.
Uh,
एंड उसने सीपीटी कर ली थी.
Mhm.
तो टेक एन एडवाइस फ्रॉम हर कि आपने सीपीटी की कोचिंग्स कहाँ से ली है, एंड जस्ट एनरोल्ड इट ओवर देयर.
Ah. So you just saw कि सब लोग कर रहे हैं तो मैं भी कर लेती हूँ.
कर लेते हैं. और मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था, एंड आई वांटेड टू डू अ रेगुलर कॉलेज. I got the opportunity as well, but someone said दो नैयों का क्या है वो, एक saying है ना कि
दो नाव पे
दो,
पाँव नहीं रखना चाहिए.
हाँ, दो नाव पे पाँव रखोगे तो डूब जाओगे.
हाँ.
तो someone said this line, मतलब वो इतना टफ उन्होंने इसको कंसिडर किया था कि अगर आप रेगुलर कॉलेज जाओगे तो इट विल नॉट हैपन.
Mhm.
So either do regular college, either do CA. So that's your choice. So obviously
Mhm.
I've already paid money for my registration.
I
And
understand.
then I start.
नहीं, अच्छा है,
And
अच्छा
then
है.
I started.
Yeah, everybody somehow, like most of the people join this way, like everybody's doing it and it's quite difficult, but do or die situation हो जाता है कि हाँ कर लेते हैं, अभी चलता है, बढ़िया है. ठीक है, तो CA you have enrolled into CAs, IPCC, CPT clear हो गया, but like being a first CA in the family, nobody's there to guide you, कोई भी नहीं है, तो articleship कैसे ढूंढी? Was it that simple? Because I'm also coming from a similar sort of background, so I faced challenge in that sense. However, I did regular college and I was pursuing CA as well. मुझे दो नाव में ही पाँव रखना था, but ठीक है. तो हाँ, it somehow it wasted my time as well because I was doing both of the things. पर आर्टिकलशिप कैसे मिली? Like because बहुत difficult हो जाता है अगर कोई भी नहीं है, like if you don't know any CA or you don't have any connections, reference. So, what was it?
So no, not at
Okay.
all.
Okay.
CPT the first attempt में clear. I've given both attempt together of IPC3 at that time.
Mhm.
And I felt the taste of failure for the first time. And my
बुरा
second group, बहुत बुरा, second group मेरा clear नहीं हुआ. Although I got good marks, but एक पेपर जो सब पे भारी है, ITSM.
था.
So at that time ITSM चलता था. I don't know.
हाँ.
Right now I guess there is a many changes in curriculum.
Mhm.
तो उस वजह से ओपन बुक एग्जामिनेशन आई गिवन दैट आई नो. बट अब तो आईपीसीसी में भी बहुत चेंजेस हो गए हैं, फाइनल में भी हो गए हैं. बट उस टाइम पे आईटीएसएम एक डरावा होता था कि कोई भी पेपर रह जाए, आईटीएसएम नहीं रहना चाहिए, नहीं तो आपके मल्टीपल अटेम्प्ट्स लगेंगे. एंड दैट हैपेंस.
Mhm.
सो बिग फोर में जाने के लिए, लाइक बिग फोर वाज अ काइंड ऑफ अ ड्रीम फॉर मी एट दैट टाइम कि सीए है तो बिग फोर. मतलब ये दो चीजें ऐसे पैरेलली देखी जाती है जब आप छोटे होते हो उस दुनिया में.
Mhm.
मे बी अभी भी देखी जाती है, बट यस. तो मुझे ये था कि मैं अपनी आर्टिकलशिप बिग फोर से करूंगी. बट व्हेन द रिजल्ट केम, सो it was shattered because there is a criteria of multiple attempts etc. while you want to enter into the big four. तो आपके दोनों ग्रुप्स क्लियर होने चाहिए, आपका अटेम्प्ट नहीं लगा होना चाहिए, and it should be clear slate. It shouldn't be like a failure. There should not be any stamp of failure. जितना मुझे पता था. और मेरी कोई जैक नहीं थी, as you already I already explained कि ना maternal ना paternal कोई भी कहीं से नहीं था, ना मुझे पता था उस चीज का. तो I failed in group 2 for the first time. Group 1 was cleared. And then tried to clear the group 2, considering it was just in भाई क्या 15 दिन पढ़ूंगी and then this group will get cleared. क्या ITSM ही तो है, बाकी सब तो क्लियर था. And then it didn't happen. Then I thought कि भाई बहुत हो गया, ये तो ऐसी चीज है जो मुझे नहीं लग रहा नहीं हुआ, तो वाई यू आर वेस्टिंग योर टाइम, वाई यू आर नॉट
हाँ,
ऑप्टिंग फॉर योर आर्टिकलशिप.
राइट राइट.
सो नाउ आई डोंट हैव एनी चॉइस, सो आई एम जस्ट लिविंग इन दैट एरा. आई डोंट हैव एनी चॉइस. अब बिग फोर तो नहीं मिल सकती है आपको. लेट्स गो अराउंड विद द मीडियोकर फर्म्स. तो मीडियोकर फर्म, अब मीडियोकर फर्म भी देखनी है, पढ़ना भी है, आसपास भी हो, दूर भी नहीं जाना. सीपी साइड भी गई मैं, सीवी बनाए, सीवी बनाना भी बहुत डिफिकल्ट काम था. पहली बार देखा अच्छा आर्टिकलशिप के लिए भी सीवी बनाना पड़ेगा. मल्टीपल इंटरव्यूज दिए, एनएसपी गए, सीवीज ड्रॉप किए, ठीक है, ये सारी चीजें करी. एंड आई मेट वन ऑफ माई गुड ब्रदर देयर, ही हेल्प मी कि हम यहाँ चल सकते हैं, यहाँ कर लो, वहां कर लो. तो वी ट्राइड मल्टीपल एंड फाइनली आई गॉट समवेयर इन एनएसपी. And it was a good decision, I would say. So I started my articleship like this, like giving here and there, थोड़ा सा इधर देखो कैसे करना है. LinkedIn etc. was not popular at that moment, I would say. इतना नहीं था. Right now it's very popular. LinkedIn. तब नहीं था इतना.
It was all offline और हम सब जा रहे हैं ऑफिस में,
जा रहे हैं,
ऑफलाइन सीवी दे रहे हैं. और it was quite difficult even to get a single articleship from a mediocre firm. And अभी dynamics are completely changed. Everybody wants to.
मतलब वो आपको सिलेक्ट करेंगे, देन यू हैव टू गिव इंटरव्यू. लाइक क्या चल रहा है, कुछ एक तो आपने हमें 2000 रुपए देने हैं, इससे ज्यादा कुछ देना नहीं है. एंड देन यू आर टेकिंग आवर इंटरव्यूज. हमें क्या ही आता होगा. व्हाटएवर वी स्टडीड इन द बुक्स दैट्स इट. तो वो सब इंटरव्यूज देना, धूप में जाना, गर्मी में, लाइक जो आजकल का मौसम चल रहा है इस टाइम में मैंने अपनी आर्टिकलशिप की सर्च शुरू करी थी. एंड देन फाइनली गॉट वन. तो इट वाज डिफिकल्ट.
कैसी रही 3 साल की मजदूरी? Did you face any challenge?
Challenges. It is challenging for everyone because you are just out from your school. आपने रेगुलर कॉलेज नहीं किया, आपको दिन दुनिया नहीं पता कैसी होती है. एंड आपको डायरेक्टली एक फर्म में जाना है, टाइम पे पहुंचना है, जो मैं कभी नहीं पहुंची हूँ. बाय एनी चांस अगर मेरे प्रिंसिपल ये देख रहे होंगे तो कहेंगे क्या बातें कर रही है, कभी टाइम पे नहीं आई है. तो मैं टाइम पे नहीं जाती थी. आई वॉज ऑलवेज अ लेट कमर ओवर देयर. उन्होंने बहुत उस टाइम पे थंब प्रिंट वाला भी स्टार्ट किया. दे ट्राई टू मॉनिटर इट एंड एवरी स्टफ बट आई कुडंट. एंड आई वाज वेरी जॉली काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन. सबसे बोलना, हंसते रहना, मतलब अगर रूम में 10 लोग बैठे हैं तो 10 लोगों के साथ मस्ती मजाक करना. तो माय प्रिंसिपल यूजुअली सेज अगर ये बैठी है तो काम नहीं होगा. तो वो अपनी कैब पे
you enjoyed your articleship period because ये जल्दी नहीं होता है, ये नहीं होता है.
I did it. I would say मुझे बहुत अच्छे लोग मिले, मेरे प्रिंसिपल बहुत अच्छे थे, लोग बहुत अच्छे थे. तो it was a good journey.
अच्छा. So you never faced any challenge during your articleship period? It was all smooth, all nice.
I had, like, I have to. My principal told me you need to do that concurrent audit. Sorry, sir.
तो अभी सच बात आ रहे हैं.
हाँ. तो concurrent audit करना, I was like कि मैं क्यों जाऊं concurrent audit पे. उन्होंने मुझे बहुत समझाया. He dropped me to the bank. उस रास्ते में उन्होंने मुझे बहुत समझाया कि आपको एक नया एक्सपोजर मिलेगा. मुझे उस टाइम क्या दुख था बताया कि मैं अपने लोगों से बिछड़ जाऊंगी, मुझे अकेले ऑफिस में बैठना पड़ेगा उधर जाके. मुझे ये नहीं था कि मैं ये काम नहीं सीख रही, ये नहीं हो रही. मतलब इतना बच्चा दिमाग था उस टाइम पे. लाइक नहीं, मुझे नहीं जाना. मैं लिटरली रोई थी उस टाइम पे कि मुझे नहीं जाना. 2-4 दिन मेरा मन नहीं लगा. तो मेरे प्रिंसिपल खुद आ जाते थे. तो ऐसे कि मैं सेकेंड हाफ में ऑफिस आ गई क्योंकि मुझसे नहीं बैठा जा रहा है वहां पे. तो अच्छा था. एंड देन लेटर ऑन आई फाउंड कि आई हैव अ न्यू स्किल नाउ.
It's quite good. Like concurrent audit में आप काफी कुछ सीखते हो. So it's
सीख जाते हैं, right?
इसके बारे में. So it's quite good. So articleship was all smooth and now the next hurdle is CA final, जिसमें बहुत मुश्किल होती है सबको. So I believe you cleared your CA at quite young age. So did you बहुत सारे टाइम लगे CA final में और was it smooth? वैसे नहीं पूछना चाहिए, quite direct, but
नहीं, it's okay. Maybe it is helpful for your audience. So I have again given both attempts at a single shot. भाई अब तो बिग फोर लेनी ही है. आर्टिकलशिप में नहीं मिली बट फाइनल के बाद तो लेनी ही है. आई डोंट वांट टू लिसन फ्रॉम द पीपल इट इज हार्ड टू वर्क ओवर देयर, नहीं काम किया जाता दिन रात. मैं कहा लोगों से नहीं सुनना, खुद जाके देखना. आई वांट टू टेस्ट हाउ इट इज. एंड कंसिडरिंग आई डू नॉट हैव अ लिंक्स एंड दैट काइंड ऑफ अ स्टफ विद मी, आर्टिकलशिप में भी कोई बहुत अच्छे ऐसे मैंने ऊपर के लिंक्स नहीं बनाए थे कि मैं बिग फोर में पहुंच जाऊं. मतलब पता नहीं, बहुत ज्यादा एक्सप्लोर मैंने नहीं किया आर्टिकलशिप में. समवेयर देयर इन द रूम इटसेल्फ, और थोड़ा बहुत दुनिया को जाना, नॉट दैट मच ना मुझे जानना चाहिए था। वैसे मेरे पास बहुत टाइम था समझने का, करने का, बट आई वेस्टेड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ इट व्हिच आई शुड नॉट,
That's fine.
बट आई मेड अ गुड रिलेशन। सो एंड देन कहाँ थे हम?
CA final.
CA final, sorry.
Yeah.
So CA final gave both attempt at a first shot, and then it didn't happen again. And I heard so many here and there कि इसे पता है इसके ग्रुप 2 में भी अटेम्प्ट्स लगे हैं। फाइनल के दोनों ग्रुप्स दे दिए, ऐसे कैसे? Why? She don't know her. She don't know her capabilities, how she can
No.
do it. And I know who they are. कौन बोल रहा है ये बातें? बहुत लोगों ने मुझे बीच में बोला कि गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स की तैयारी कर लो, जितनी मेहनत आप सीए में कर रहे हो गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स में करते तो कहाँ बैठे होते आप लोग, ऐसे और वैसे। एंड इट वाज क्वाइट हार्ड टू लिसन दोस वर्ड्स,
It is.
बट आई टुक इट इन अ वेरी पॉजिटिव सेंस कि इन लोगों को तो अब मैं बताऊंगी जिन्होंने ऐसे बोला है मुझे।
So you
And
use that as a fuel.
yes, I'll say कि जब लोग आपको बुरा बोलते हैं तो it is for your good. You'll be having a more fuel in yourself to charge up कि भाई उसने ऐसे बोला था, उससे तो रॉन्ग प्रूफ करना ही करना है, ऐसे कैसे बोल दिया। तो वो वाली चीज थी। एंड मैंने इवन दो सेकेंड ग्रुप में ओपन बुक पेपर होता था, फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम आई डिड इंटरनेशनल टैक्सेशन, एंड सेकेंड टाइम आई चेंज्ड माय सब्जेक्ट एज वेल एंड गिवन बोथ ग्रुप्स इन 2.5 months, I would say. And it was cleared.
Oh.
So it was like I was very happy. Like I have made decision because of those words. I would say it got cleared.
Thanks to them as well.
Some negative in yes, I always thanks them.
Yeah.
Because अगर ऐसा वो नहीं बोलते तो शायद मैं इतने efforts नहीं लगाती। मतलब पढ़ना सिस्टम, बिकॉज आपने जब पहली बार अटेम्प्ट दे दिया, नाउ यू नो दी सिलेबस, नाउ यू नो हाउ टू डू इट। मैंने कभी भी कोई मॉक टेस्ट नहीं दिया। आई ऑलवेज अफ्रेड ऑफ गिविंग मॉक टेस्ट, मुझसे नहीं होता, मैं नहीं दे सकती पेपर से पहले पेपर, आई कांट गिव, इट्स नॉट माय फॉर्टे, नो। सो पीपल यूजुअली से टेस्ट योरसेल्फ, थोड़ी मॉक टेस्ट दे लो, पता लग जाएगा कितने पानी में हो तुम। मैं कहती हूँ अगर मैंने वो पानी में देख लिया तो मैं पेपर नहीं दे पाऊंगी।
So I'm that
We are
kind of
opposite?
person. Yeah, I trust myself before appearing for any exam. But कोमल, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जिन लोगों को एक ही बार में सक्सेस मिल जाता है, लाइक फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में सब क्लियर हो जाता है, लाइक these people are quite academically sound और इनको पता है कि कैसे पढ़ना है। बट जो आदमी फेल हो रहा है और उसको समझना पड़ता है कि मैं क्या गलती कर रहा हूँ, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि उनके पास थोड़ा लर्निंग ज्यादा होता है और दे कैन गाइड दोज पीपल जो एक्चुअल में फेल हो रहे हैं। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जिन्होंने एक बार में क्लियर कर दिया, उनके पास बहुत ज्यादा शेयर करने के लिए नहीं होता है, क्योंकि उन्होंने पढ़ा और उनका क्लियर हो गया। दे आर ऑलरेडी डूइंग इट इन द राइट वे, बट दे डोंट नो कि वो क्या सही कर रहे हैं। बट जिसने जो तरीका पढ़ने का गलत था और वो अपने आप को ठीक किया, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है मेहनत सभी करते हैं और बहुत मेहनत करते हैं। जो सीए कर रहा है सीए फाइनल में, he or she is already daring और वो कर रहा है मेहनत, बस सही जगह नहीं कर रहा है मेहनत। So since you have seen failures and you changed your failure to success, so any guidance पढ़ने में, CA final clear करने में, the strategies that help you in clearing CA?
Yes, I would
The
say
things you
people
think.
usually, yeah, people usually say don't study hard or don't study whole day, but I did it. Like the next time I gave it, so I studied for, I would say 12 to 14 hours in a day.
Oh.
And how I studied is like, it's not always sitting on a table and you are studying. You are considering them only as a study. So मैं लाइब्रेरी जाया करती थी, and nice because लाइब्रेरी जाके एक अलग मोटिवेशन आती है। You see people studying. I'm like, you are wasting your time. Why? पढ़ो भाई, पढ़ो, पढ़ने के लिए आए हो यहाँ पे। ऐसे भी लोग होते हैं जो हमेशा नीचे चाय वाली शॉप पे बैठे रहते हैं, बट वो अलग बात है। मतलब हाउ यू आर टेकिंग इट। जब मैं 2 घंटे मैंने एक सिटिंग दे ली, मतलब आई यूजुअली मेक इट लाइक थ्योरी प्रैक्टिकल। मैं एक दिन में एक सब्जेक्ट नहीं करती थी, पीपल यूजुअली डू इट। मैं 2 सब्जेक्ट्स साइमल्टेनियसली चलाती थी, एक मॉर्निंग एक इवनिंग, और एक और चलता था विच इज थ्योरी 1, एक चैप्टर जो मैं सुनती थी। मतलब वॉट एवर द ब्रेक टाइम आई एम टेकिंग इट, rather than listening to songs, yes, I usually kept on revising. Yes, revision lecture सुन लिया, कुछ लग रहा था, और I usually give time कि मैं 1 हफ्ते का प्लान बनाती थी। ऐसे नहीं 6 महीने का एक साथ बना लिया, 2 महीने का एक साथ, 1 हफ्ते का बनाती थी। एंड गिव 1 डे टू योर लेफ्ट ओवर स्टफ। अगर आपने एक दिन में प्लान किया है कि आपने एक दिन में ये 4 चैप्टर्स करने हैं, बट यू कंप्लीटेड 3.5 ओनली, आई ऑलवेज कीप इट स्टॉप कि मैं अपने नेक्स्ट पे चलती हूँ, और जो मेरा 0.5 बचा हुआ है वो मैं उसको संडे को, सैटरडे को, जो भी मैंने दिन लिया है उस पर कवर करती थी। सो दैट माई प्लान इज अप टू डेट, कि मैंने जो प्लानिंग करी है वो मेरी चल रही है। और ऐसा नहीं होता हमेशा आपकी प्लानिंग चलती है, इट ऑलवेज फेल, बट वंस यू फेल यू विल डू इट बेटर वे। तो मे भी हो सकता है मैं वीकली बनाती थी, यू कांट स्टिक ऑन अ वीकली वन, यू कैन डू इट फॉर ट्वाइस, 2 days, 1 day, or maybe for some hours, क्योंकि जब आपका बहुत गैप आ जाता है, मतलब मैंने बहुत ज्यादा लाइक हियर एंड देयर नहीं किया, मैंने स्टडीज पे फोकस किया था। तो जो लोग जैसे पढ़ने के साथ साथ जॉब कर रहे हैं, उनके लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है। तो दे कांट गिव टाइम टू इट। मैं ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ लोगों की गलती है, देयर आर सम फाइनेंशियल कंडीशंस एंड द अदर स्टफ रिलेटेड टू इट। बट वहां पे थोड़ा सा ये हो जाता है कि सारा दिन काम करने के बाद थोड़ी सी थकावट, थोड़ी सी चीजें, हमने वो सारी चीजें क्लासेस ली थी उस टाइम पे, क्लासेस में सो भी रहे हैं क्योंकि आर्टिकलशिप करके आ रहे हैं, सुबह 9:30 बजे ऑफिस आ रहे हैं। आई वॉज प्लेस टू हैव माई प्रिंसिपल लाइक 10, 10:30, अगर आप कोचिंग ले रहे हो तो कोई बात नहीं, आप 10:30 बजे आ जाना। तो सुबह कोचिंग ले ली, शाम को कोचिंग ले ली, शाम को 5:30 चले जाना, मतलब ऑलवेज मैनेज योर वर्क, बट ही अलाउज अस। तो इन दैट सेंस आई वॉज अ गुड।
So you were blessed in that sense. But saying to me,
yes.
अगर financial difficulties नहीं है, तो do your study first, then do the job. अगर if you are
Yes.
facing any challenges, then do it, then it's fine, it's understandable. और दो सब्जेक्ट पढ़ने में मैं भी कहूँगा कि सही रहता है। However, मैं एक ही सब्जेक्ट पढ़ता था, मतलब थोड़ा deep work, but
फिर ये कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी है ईशान।
नहीं, but I realized eventually कि दो सब्जेक्ट पढ़ने which are more complementary, like if we say accounts and audit, because audit is also a part of accounts and you're studying the complementary subject, it helps. But you're studying DT and IDT, you're already studying laws and then you are studying IDT, so वो थोड़ा difficult हो जाता है. So complementary subjects अच्छे रहते हैं. तो eventually I realized
थोड़ा सा समझ जाते हैं जब आप पढ़ने लगते हैं सब्जेक्ट्स को कि कौन सा सब्जेक्ट किसके साथ मिक्स मैच करना है। ऑडिट से याद आया, ऑडिट हमेशा एक डर का कोना रहता है। ये क्या?
And right now I'm doing the work in audit itself, but I failed in audit.
Like for the first attempt, yes, I do as well. But no, not in a. But जब मैं पढ़ती थी मुझे लगता था इतना कोई रियल लाइफ में करता भी है क्या? क्या लिखवाई जा रहे हैं? But now I felt it, yes, it is.
होता है। So CA बन गए और दिमाग में साथ ही ये रहता है, मतलब थोड़ी देर ही आदमी एंजॉय करता है कि हम चार्टर्ड बन गए, बट वो व्हाट नेक्स्ट वो क्लिक करता रहता है। तो was it easy for you to get the first job even after clearing India's toughest course?
Yes. Again, you have a mediocre stamp on your CV. And you wanted to go to Big Four. So Big Four कैसे जाया जाए? वो एक डिफिकल्ट कंसर्न था। तो पहली बार मैंने मॉक इंटरव्यू दिए। ये ICAI कंडक्ट, यस, थोड़ा बहुत, बिकॉज यू डू नॉट हैव अ कॉर्पोरेट इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस अर्लियर। तो थोड़ा बहुत उसने हेल्प किया। इट हेल्प इन मेकिंग कनेक्शन, बिकॉज वो ICAI ने आई गेस स्टार्ट किया था। बिफोर कैंपस देयर इज अ मॉक इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन। So first job, I tried sending CVs to multiple people. तब LinkedIn थोड़ा सा एक्टिव हो चुका था। LinkedIn के थ्रू लोगों से बात करी, ट्राइड कि क्या पता कुछ अच्छा हो जाए, एंड देन कुछ नहीं अच्छा हुआ। एंड देन कैंपस केम इनटू पिक्चर कि ICAI का कैंपस आने वाला है एंड कैंपस देख लेते हैं। देन आई अप्लाइड इन कैंपस। पहला दिन हुआ, कोई शॉर्टलिस्टिंग नहीं आई। दूसरा दिन हुआ, कोई शॉर्टलिस्टिंग नहीं आई। तीसरे दिन आई गॉट शॉर्टलिस्टिंग। 2-3 कंपनीज की, आई कुडंट रिमेंबर द अदर 2-3 जिसमें मैंने सिलेक्शन करवाया था, या सिर्फ मुझे वही याद है। तो मैंने इंटरेस्टिंगली कैंपस दिल्ली नहीं, जयपुर फिल किया था। तो आई वेंट देयर, जयपुर गए हम, मी एंड माय फ्रेंड वाज देयर, एंड देन इट वाज वन ऑफ द बिग फोर। एंड देन yes, I don't want to quote that name, but yes, it was Big Four, and it was a global one. And they have a multiple round of interview in person. That time मैंने पहली बार GD देखा कि भाई इसके लिए पहले आपको GD क्लियर करना पड़ेगा। मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं था। आइडिया था एक्चुअली कि GD भी कुछ होता है। उसमें मुझे कुछ ट्रिप एंड ट्रिक्स पता थी कि आपको जो सबसे पहले बोलता है उसको एक एक्स्ट्रा मार्क मिलता है, जो इनिशिएट करता है। और जब इनिशिएट हो चुकी है तो कोई अगर अच्छा पॉइंट दे रहा है जिसके बाद डिस्कशन स्टार्ट हो रही है तो आपको पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे। आई नो बिट ऑफ पीसेस कि हाँ GD में ऐसा कुछ होता है। टॉपिक क्या होगा यू नेवर नो इट। अब मुझे याद भी नहीं है, इफ यू आस्क अबाउट मी टॉपिक ही क्या टॉपिक था। तो पहला राउंड, बहुत लोग, बहुत रश, जयपुर देखा, इतनी गर्मी। लकीली शाम को बहुत बारिश हो गई थी उस दिन, बट जयपुर डूब गया था बारिश से। एंड देन GD दिया, it somehow cleared. Then you have a personal interview, PI. Then आपने PI दिया, PI के लिए then GD के लिए आपको 2-3 घंटे का वेट था। उसका रिजल्ट आएगा, आप इधर जा रहे हो, उधर जा रहे हो, because there were 2-3 companies. तो आप फिजिकली जा रहे हो तो फिजिकल स्ट्रेस एक डिफरेंट होता है rather than the online one. You just need to get ready and sit in front of camera as we are doing right now. But अगर यही हमें in person करना है तो it is bit difficult. You have to arrange the travel and that kind of a stuff, attire and all. And then they don't call every people. किसी को कॉल आ गई, किसी को कॉल नहीं आई। And then got the results. PI दिया, PI में उन्होंने questions करे, then PI got cleared. फिर उन्होंने बोला we'll get back to you.
Oh,
I'm like ये क्या बदतमीजी है? We'll get back to you. We'll email you. And yes, and no, at that time they have given me a selection. Yes, but it was for a Kolkata location. It was not in Delhi or other big
I
city.
believe you have
So I was
mentioned
like,
the name of
no.
city and people can guess the Big Four.
Maybe.
Yeah, they can.
Big Four is everywhere. Big Four is everywhere.
Guess it if I'm listening.
But interestingly, वो मैंने accept नहीं किया था. And then again, COVID came into picture somewhere.
Right.
And then I gave online interview. And then again cleared that one only. And they gave me work from home. So I took it. कि work from home में कर लेते हैं. And then I worked for somewhere roughly around a year. And tasted the Big Four. How it is. It was not good.
You're still there, Komal.
Like yeah, I am still there. I'm talking about the other one, not the
Yeah,
current one.
right. But you can say it that way. Even if you अगर आप करंट में हो भी तो क्या आप वैसे कर रहे हो?
Now I know how to manage people. I learned this skill by the number of experience of years I was part of Big Four. I am part of Big Four. So that way I know how to handle people. That time I met toxic people. And due to the people only, I left the organization. People as well as the work, I don't like it. If it is the work I need to do it, then I'll not do it. तो उस टाइम मुझे लगा अगर ग्लोबल में ये काम है तो मैं नहीं कर सकती. If it is global, then global is not meant for me. I do not have any learning. इसने वो कहा कर दो, इसने उसको दिया, ऐसे कर दो, वैसे कर दो, मुझे नहीं समझ आया. And I just quit it.
Right.
And then
You changed?
yes, I changed. And I changed to Indian Big Four. I said, let's taste the Indian Big Four.
And have some learning. क्योंकि सब यही बोलते हैं कि ग्लोबल में लर्निंग नहीं है और इंडियन में बहुत ज़्यादा
नहीं है. और
It's not true.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
और मुझे लगा भी लोग सही बोलते हैं, ग्लोबल में कुछ नहीं है. The part of responsibility I was having, तो मुझे अच्छा भी नहीं लगा. People are talking right. Let's see it. If the Indian one is right or not. And then I shifted myself to the base location only, Delhi NCR, and then changed my job, served there around an year. At that time, my resume looks like you have a tendency to change jobs every year. And like, it was difficult to answer that question at that moment. Why? Why again? So then I worked for Indian Big Four quite let's say a year, approximately a year. And I've tasted it. Yes, you will have a great learning over there. You will learn a lot. The field you are into it. I was a part of audit. So I learned how to deal with the clients, how to interact with the clients, how to get rid of a problem you are getting into it. At the last moment changes, partner reviews, and the other stuff. So it was a big learning for you. So that changed me. That changed me a lot. It was face-to-face as well. So I got to know about the people more, interaction more, how corporate works. I would say the first one, I didn't get that taste a lot, or I was not liking it. So I do not want to have it more. Maybe that was the reason. So that Indian one gave me a good and bad, both phases. So on exposure wise, it was good. But again, I met toxic people. You'll say कि तुम्हें तो सब toxic ही मिलते हैं. So I met few people and few good as well. Those who helped me to survive for a year. Later on, when I gave my paper, people will say, if you want, we can change your team, ऐसे और वैसे. HR will give you an option. But you have to stand on your decision if you want to. If you want to work on that, I'm like, no, I'll give my priority to work-life balance. ऐसे नहीं कर सकती यार मैं सारा दिन रात को 1 बजे भी डिनर किया है वो ढाबे में कर रहे हैं and your partner is with you and your director is with you. No, this is not what I am living for.
Day and night and eventually you change that as well.
Yes. Okay. People are saying if you survive for 2-3 years in Indian Big Four, then you'll survive more. But I couldn't survive for a year. So I'm like, no, I just made a choice. I can't.
So
I tasted it.
छोड़ दिया eventually.
मैंने छोड़ दिया. Like नहीं हो पाएगा. And then again back to global one. And it was a third one now.
Yeah.
So where I am currently, so I have started working with global one again, the third Big Four, and currently working with them only. And I have a good learning experience with them in audit. And currently I'm again pursuing some other kind of a stuff. As it's so almost
maybe I can add this. Sorry, I'm adding this one. So now you are in the learning and development in the Big Four itself, and you will gonna be a trainer and facilitator and in the Big Four itself. I'm not sure, like you were gonna tell me about that. So, but you are in the learning and development. But how come Netherlands came into the picture?
Oh, that's a nice point.
Yeah.
Yes, it was a part of the third Big Four global journey. So I got the opportunity while working in the
Mhm.
existing one.
Mhm.
Like if you want to opt for the Netherlands geography or you wanted to go out and
Mhm.
explore that stuff.
Mhm.
So yes, I gave interviews. I've did those stuff which is required to get there.
Mhm.
And then there had a taste of Netherlands as well.
Mhm.
See what there and how people are. Like I heard about it. Dutch directness. I don't know how much you know about it.
Yeah.
People usually Netherlands के लोगों को ऐसे ही define किया जाता है कि they are very direct.
Yeah. Straightforward.
Direct in every sense. They are
Yeah.
straightforward. So
Yeah.
I like maybe this can be true and this
Mhm.
can't be because
Mhm.
जैसे मैंने लोगों के साथ काम किया था तो like it keep the Big Four has usually many religion or the ethnicity or I would say the multiple type of
Yeah, people from different origins and from
different
different
regions,
countries.
regions.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. So I worked with people, but I didn't find that kind of a stuff of direct touchness. With
Mhm.
few people, I had that taste. I was like, no,
Mhm.
maybe. But
Mhm.
while I was there,
Mhm.
I could sense that direct touchness. And
Mhm.
being an Indian, it was a bit difficult to handle, to be honest.
Ah.
If you are a kind of a emotional person, as I am, I
Mhm.
usually relate with the people.
Mhm.
I can't just let go.
Mhm.
It's somewhere written here and there, and I can't take that. Maybe it'll take me some time to process that information, and then I'll go ahead that kind of
Right.
stuff. So they usually very direct. If they don't like it, they don't like it. They'll say it. They'll not sugarcoat anything. I would not use the word sugarcoat,
Mhm.
but at least you should understand bit emotions of the other people as well.
Mhm.
Because being an Indian, we are also giving feedbacks to the people,
Yeah.
right? And we are also letting them know what is good and what is not good.
Mhm.
But being rude and being direct, there is a difference. And I guess they crossed that limit. Rude
Ah.
and the direct one. What I felt. But I met very nice people as well, which are not direct, which are very nice.
Mhm.
And I usually like to gel up with them. So I would say कि हर जगह हर तरीके के लोग होते हैं.
Mhm.
So
So
that
do you
depends
recommend
upon
to
you.
go to Netherlands to other people? Is it good earning wise,
Yes.
money wise?
Money wise, I would say you can have a good life.
Mhm.
Like a how to define? Like
Yeah,
money
take your
is
time. That's fine. Take your
yeah
time. Yeah.
money is very different factor for everyone. Like someone consider basic wage as in good salary. Someone consider a high end on the salary as in good one. So that depends how kind of a people you are. Do you want how what kind of a mm, perceptions or the aims you are having in your life? So if you want to have a settling life, थोड़ा बहुत settlement हो and you can do your own stuff, so ठीक है, that's good. You can live there. You have to adopt there. We have a language barrier in Netherlands. So
Yeah.
if you can adopt the language, it's easy to survive over there.
Yeah. So you're
But
saying one
if
should learn Dutch if you really want to
yes,
settle in Netherlands.
yes. If you are eager to learn that language and you wanted to include in your daily routine, because if you are communicating in English, then you will feel a difference when they are talking in Dutch. They haven't that in-person relationship with the Dutch people, not the
Mhm.
other people. So
Ah.
if you learn Dutch, it's easy to settle. It's easy to go through with the situations you are facing in daily routine. So
Mhm.
almost you'll get through every stuff if you learn about their language. Because
So
language
language
barrier.
नहीं रहेगा
Yes.
तो ही अच्छा है. So suppose Komal, someone
Mhm.
has clear CA and बहुत लोगों को होता है कि मैं अब अब्रोड जाऊं, बाहर जाऊं, यूरो कमाऊं, जीबीपी कमाऊं, डॉलर कमाऊं, है ना? और अगर किसी को नेदरलैंड्स जाना है and he wants to live in Europe and because it's quite beautiful country and
Yes.
बहुत अच्छा है, right? So कैसे जा सकते हैं? If you have to guide, like even if you got Netherlands because of your existing office, but if someone wants to go there directly जाना चाहता है तो any guidance? कोई भी अगर Netherlands जाना चाहता है तो
मैंने आपका लास्ट पॉडकास्ट सुना था and you guys were talking about skill set.
yeah.
So if you have right skill set, अगर आपके पास है, and if you have really want to go, अगर आपके पास वो विश है, वो चाह है, कहते हैं ना जहाँ चाह है वहाँ राह है, so you will find those ways. So maybe I'll just give a suggestion: tailor your resume in the way they demands it. Search for the job. Now internet is everywhere. You have the company's website, portal, career websites. Go there, check their opportunities they have, check the requirements, and tailor your resume according to them. And you should have that skill set as well. That's a prerequisite.
Yeah.
Then you are tailoring your resume, and then you are applying through those portals, websites. That will work. You'll get those responses sooner or later. It's I can see that in 90% they respond back.
Ah,
So
nice.
it's good if you want to try. You are also trying in India. You are trying very hard to get the job in India. So if you really want to go, then try it.
Right.
If your kismat says it, you'll go.
Yeah. But I
But
have
at
two
least
questions here for you.
efforts.
Like just since I'm coming from a very basic understanding and I want to go to Netherlands and want to visit Europe and want to work there. And you have mentioned skill sets. So what kind of skills are required? And then there is another question. Visa sponsorship is quite a big issue. How to find an employer that sponsors a visa? Then that's a quite big thing.
If you go, have you ever visited any website?
Like
If
I have
yes,
visited-
then you
I
can
have
answer this
visited,
question.
Yeah, I have listed. I'm just asking from the perspective of audience. Yeah, the one who is quite new. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you go through that, they'll ask about you whether you have that citizenship of that country or not. They'll ask certain set of questions. You want that visa sponsorship or not? Do you want that company to sponsor it? So you can just tick, yes, I want it. So they'll know about your candidature more about it. So if they have that budget to take you out, then they'll take you.
Okay.
So you will always, or maybe I'll say 95% of the cases, you'll have this option to tick whether you want that sponsorship or you are a citizen or there are multiple things. I couldn't remember right now. You can see and select those, whichever applicable to you.
Right. And skill sets? What are the
Skill
major
set, I
skill
would
sets they are looking for?
The major, what I consider is communication. You should be able to communicate your stuff clearly, which is first one. Yes, you should not do here and there. You should be clear on your points. What do you want? What do you don't want? Okay. If you want to work on certain projects, you want to work on certain areas or that kind of a stuff, that you should say it, yes, I want to do it. If you don't want to, then say it, no. There is no harm to say no. Being Indians, हमें लगता है कि हम ना नहीं कर सकते अगर हमें कोई काम दिया गया है, but ऐसा नहीं है. Always, what I prefer, give priority to your mental stability first. Set your boundaries, whether you actually wanted to do it or not. It's no harm to say no. You should learn to say no. So, and the other one is the requirement we are having in that job posting, which we should know about it. If you are going into audit, you should know what audit it is, how to get the work done from the people. You should have that people management if you're going at the experienced one, and maybe many stuff. You can just go through the job responsibility and you can learn about it, whether you having those skill sets or not. That's not something I can give on a paper. You should have this. It's just basically the main one. You should be good communicator. You should be good leader. Just do AI, you'll have it. इतना कुछ नहीं है. तो basically skill set पे you need to work upon it. No one can tell you कि आपके अंदर क्या कमी है. आप उसको कैसे overcome कर सकते हो, वो आपको ही देखना पड़ेगा. Or maybe you can get in touch with me. I can try to guide you. That's it.
Right. So does Indian hold good reputation here in Netherlands? Did we all live there? Right.
Somewhere yes, somewhere no. Everyone has mixed opinion. I can't say much about it. People are living there, so I do not want to hurt anyone. Let's do not discuss it much. Everyone has their own opinion. It's bad, it's good, it's both. It's neutral as well. So it depends upon person perceptions. So yes.
So Komal, ऐसी कोई चीज since you have lived abroad for a decent time and now you're back to your country, कोई ऐसी चीज जो आप नीदरलैंड से सीखे या बाहर रहने से सीखे, एक another country में रहने सीखे, now that is inculcated in your daily values, personally and professionally, that is really helping you कि हाँ ये चीज मैंने सीखी जो मुझे ऐसे नहीं सीखने को मिलती थी.
Professionally, yes. It's time management.
Okay.
They are very good at the time management. मीन्स हम लोग यहाँ ऑफिस कितने बजे पहुंचते हैं? 9, 9:30, 10. फिर ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे, फिर 12 बजे जाके कहीं फ्लोर हिट करेंगे, काम करेंगे. बट मैं 8:30 ऑफिस जाती थी, तो आई फील लाइक आई एम वेरी लेट. 8:30 in the morning and I'm feeling like I'm very late. So they are early risers. सुबह 8 बजे they are in the office 8 o'clock, 7:30 to 8:30. Everyone is in the office, and they do work very efficiently. And they'll take their lunch at 12 o'clock. They're following the old regime which we had,
Yeah.
doing the breakfast early in the morning, lunch 12 o'clock, and the dinner 6:30, 7, and that kind of stuff. So they're balancing. The life expectancy is very high in Netherlands. So the routine they are following, people are very enthusiastic towards their health. डेली कॉल्स में वो लोग सुबह आके क्या बात करते हैं, आज जिम गया है कोई, कितने स्टेप्स हुए हैं. So they are very energetic in that sense. They had their day started early in the morning, and they had their routine exercises, the walk, cycling, the main part of the Netherlands, cycling.
Right.
So
you see bicycles all over there. Like there are less cars and more bicycles. So that's amazing.
Yes, they say bike. So do you have bike?
Mm-hmm.
I also had that. So I tried it,
I saw
but
that.
I'm not.
I saw that.
Yeah, I'm not that. So they have a guidelines or the rules, traffic rules for bikes as well. Not that bike I'm here means the bicycle. For the bicycle, they have different parts. They have red lights. You have to stop on it. If you are talking to someone on earphones while you are cycling it, so you'll get punished. You'll have some fine over it. You should have lights on your cycles. So I guess we are going in another direction.
So
I have multiple stories.
Time management is the basic thing.
Yes.
And the most important.
So I would say yes. Now I'm logging in a bit early. If you're starting a bit early, so you can wrap up every stuff at your day end by 5:30, 6:30. That depends upon the demands of the situation. And yes, it's help you in wrapping up this stuff early because people are not there. You can do your work and you are stay away from the calls. You can wrap those works. So either you can do it in the night when people are not there. Earlier I used to follow that process. Now I don't. I usually do it in the morning itself. I see my calendar how it is. Earlier I don't do it in that way because they are well organized in the sense of planning how their day should be.
Right.
What they'll be doing at the end of the year as well. They have their vacation plans.
Right.
So that planning stuff, that time management stuff, that is something.
Yeah. Because I have also worked with Dutch people and you know that. So I was also about to add that. Yeah. So they are good planners and they are planning vacation even after a year. अगले साल का भी वो plan कर रहे हैं और they are doing it accordingly. So that's nice. So
they are giving time to their families.
Yeah. So let's change it a little bit. Since we both are coming from a very basic background, middle class families, and my life has been changed drastically when I have cleared CA. So आपके लिए कैसा रहा life before CA, life after CA? Does it change drastically for you? Any change that you felt कि ये अगर ना होता तो ये CA की वजह से ही हुआ है? Anything?
I would say stability in life. Now you know you'll be able to earn bread butter.
Yeah.
During your lifetime, you have your degree, so you have stability in your life. If you are in India, if you are outside India, doesn't matter the land, labor rules, and the other stuff. So you'll get your money or you'll get that basic earnings everywhere. That stability that you'll always get something. You are not just doing that graduation and the other programs and trying to find something. You have that degree, so it will give you in respect at most priority. And you'll have that once you introduce yourself, your CA, that perception changed automatically.
Right.
So that recognition in the society and that stability in the life changed me as in person, professionally and personally as well.
Does it help you to take any bold decision in life? Since you have stability?
I would say I always take bold decision. So yes, it will always give you an edge.
Right.
Yes, you can fight for you can see what is best for you.
Right.
You may or may not be. I don't think so this question belongs to me.
Yeah. I know you are a risk taker. So any bold decision that you took in your life and you are grateful for? That changed your life completely and yeah, just grateful for that.
Yes, I should or should not, but in personal life, yes, I do have.
Okay.
What do you want to ask?
I think we can skip that question. So why I was saying that, so I believe you got a very lovely and amazing husband. And before having this podcast, I was having a call with him and he suggested to me, like even I have received few requests, but he also told me to do this podcast in Hindi, just so that we can get a larger audience as well. So what is the keys to get a good husband, Komal? Dating market is, I don't want to use that word, but it's fucked up right now. कैसे मिलता है भाई?
Yeah, we are hearing like कल परसों or maybe in recent days like 15th May पे जो विश्वा वाला केस भी चल रहा है and I can understand that pain.
Yeah.
It's very difficult to find a loyal partner, but I'm lucky. I'm blessed to have it. But what is the key? I don't know. I would say I'm blessed.
Okay. So thanks to Kishori as well, I would say, for recommending this suggestions, and I really appreciate it. So thank you so much for your precious time, Komal. I really appreciate it for this podcast. And guys, if you are still here, just add more, just say in the comments more. I would bring these sort of podcasts. And if you want any change or do you have any suggestion, please let us know in the comments. And if you guys will be having any questions with Komal about Netherlands or about anything in the CA career itself, and or any guidance you think Komal can help, I believe she will be happy to help. Right, Komal?
Yes, I'll be happy to help. You guys can connect me maybe through comments.
Yeah. So thank you so much for your time, Komal. I really appreciate it. Bye.
Thank you so much, Ishan. Bye.